How to manage app permissions on iPhones. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're worried about your data privacy and security, make sure to alter your app privacy on your phone. To do this, simply head on over into your home page and then go into settings. Once you go into settings, you can scroll down, and once you scroll down, you're going to go into your privacy and security settings. Now, once you open up your privacy and security settings, you can adjust the permissions for your camera, location, contacts, etc. for each application that you have. For example, if I go into location services, I can see all of the different applications that have access to my location services. Let's say I do not want TikTok to have access. So I'm going to select never, and now this no longer has location access. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.